Okay, one of the things I want to talk about for the kids is to get them to understand exactly what is a fraction. And so a lot of these will come about in terms of word problems, and that one of the examples I used yesterday in class was to get them to think about a pizza, and if we were to cut the pizza like this, and we know that we have 4 pieces of pizza, and that's going to be the denominator. And then the word problem might tell them, well, if they ate 1 piece of pizza, or if they gave 1 piece of pizza to a friend, how much would they have left? So if we said, well, you ate this piece of pizza, you ate one of the 4 total pieces that were in the pizza, so you ate 1/4 of the pizza. Well, what you have left is going to be the difference. And so if we did 4/4, which is the whole pizza, 4 pieces out of 4 pieces, and we subtracted, let me change that. Did want to keep it separated, minus 1/4, which is the pizza that you ate. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and we keep our denominators because they're both the same, and that means that we have 3/4 of the pizza left. I'm not really sure why some students have a real difficulty with fractions, but so we try to work on them at a slower pace. If I were to cut the pizza in quarters again and then to go diagonally, well, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. This is going to give us, our piece is going to have a denominator of 8. And so if we said, well, if we're going to give 2 pieces to the friends, and everybody's going to get an equal amount, how many friends can we give pizza to? Well, if each person is going to get 2 out of the 8 pieces, we can come back and we can just reverse this and go 8 divided by 2, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. That means that 4 friends can each have 2 slices of pizza. And so each of 4 friends is going to get 2 pieces of the pizza that we have. If we talked about doing rectangles, which we can do, we can divide a rectangle in half. We can divide it into 4 pieces, or we can draw a horizontal line, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 sections in our rectangle, and that's going to give us a denominator of 8. Now we can end up with a question that would say, if we had a sheet cake that had 8 and was cut into 8 pieces, and if we gave away 3 of those pieces, how many pieces would we have left? Now we can just count them physically if we want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we can say, well, we started off with 8, we took away 3 of them and gave them to friends, and 8 minus 3 is going to give us a total of 5. So we're trying to get the students to try to get a feel for what these fractions mean. What the students really need to understand is the fact that a fraction is some value that's less than 1. So if we had a pizza that was cut into 4 pieces and you took all of it, you would get 1 whole pizza. But now if we cut it into 4 pieces,